Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps on how to change your email on Facebook. Whether you've just created a new email address or you're updating old account details, you'll have it done in just a few minutes. Let's get started right now. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, look at the bottom or top right corner of your screen, depending on your device, and tap the menu icon. That's the one that looks like 3 stacked lines, often called the hamburger icon. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap it, and then select Settings again. This will open up a new page with a list of all your account options. Now, look for Personal Information and tap it. Here, you'll see your name, birthday, and contact info. This is where you'll be making the change. From there, tap Contact Info. You'll see your current email address listed, along with your phone number if you have one linked. To add your new email address, tap Add Email Address. Then type in your new email. Carefully make sure there are no typos, since Facebook will send a confirmation link there. After you've entered your new email, tap Add. Facebook will then ask you to confirm it. So open your email inbox, find the message from Facebook, and click on the confirmation link inside. This step verifies your new address and connects it to your account. Once confirmed, you can go back to the Contact Info section and make your new email your primary contact if you'd like. That ensures Facebook sends all important updates and security alerts to your new inbox. And that's it, you've successfully changed your email on Facebook. It's quick, secure, and an important step in keeping your account information up to date. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and share it with someone who might need the same guide. Thanks for watching.